Well, folks, we figured that every video's got to have three things in it: a beginning, a middle, and the end. So far, I've been pretty good, I think, in terms of doing stuff in the middle. But beginnings and ends, for some reason, I forget about those. But anyway, we just wanted to give you here we are at the new wood yard, and we're going to say welcome, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon, because we're going to be doing some more videos as we go along. Once a week, either Thursday or Friday morning. So anyway, we got a couple of stickers that we got from some people, and we want to be able to put them on our axis, Easton made axis, and celebrate the people and friends that we've made so far while we've been in this YouTube community. So we wanted to share a celebration of some friends. First we had TC Outdoors. Tony, thank you. Great meeting you at the Fellowship of the Furnace. So we're going to put you right there, right next to our own York firewood. All right, TC Outdoors. Tony, welcome to our wood yard. Now the next one, very special couple to a lot of people, and it's Mountaintop Outdoors. As you know, Jeffrey and Patty are two special people, and they're friends of Danny's and friends of mine and friends of a lot of people. In fact, they're probably the most popular YouTubers that weren't on YouTube, but now that they have their own YouTube channel, it's called Mountaintop Outdoors, and we want to give a shout out to them. So that one's easy to get off. So we're going to put that right there. Okay? Now there is one other shout out that I want to give. And the shout out is to a small little channel. And it's called the Good Samaritans Firewood Project. So if you want to check them out, check out their YouTube channel. We say and like them. They got good-hearted people. They basically a family that chops, splits, and provides wood free of charge to people in mid-state New York. So I hope that you like their channel. Make sure you subscribe to their channel. They're growing, and we just want to give a shout out to them as well. These other two channels, we want to give a shout out to them, TC Outdoors and Mountaintop Outdoors. So Mountaintop Outdoors, and again, the Good Samaritan Firewood Project. So anyway, what you're about to see is Danny and I doing some stacking out of a friend's house that we had to dump some wood, and we got the call to say, hey, can you please come and stack this stuff? So we did. We took some time out and went ahead and stacked the wood. So anyway, here you go.
And so far on the Easton made axis, we have iron and oak that they put those on there, and firewood to furnace, outside with Shibe, Dude Ranch DIY. Of course, York firewood. We have new stickers that we came out with. So firewood to furnace again, York firewood, TC Outdoors, and Mountaintop Outdoors. We have Ohio Wood Burner. That's the first one we put on there. Ken's Cuts. Ken's a good guy. We really appreciated meeting him at Brad's. And Delmarva Maintenance Services. Dan, I think he's Dan the, I don't want to say home improvement man, but I forget what his title is in his YouTube channel. But he's a good guy, very energetic, good guy from Eastern Shore, Maryland. Well, those are our stickers that we have so far. We would love to have more, and if you want to share them with us, that would be awesome. But you know, one of the things we like to do is we certainly like to have you put them on when we get a chance to meet you. So if you ever had any of the other functions that are that we bring our access to, hopefully we can bring it again next year to Brad's Firewood to Furnace Frenzy or Fellowship that he's going to have. And then we'll meet at Joe's at the Firewood, at Ohio Wood Burners
open house. We're planning on being there, hopefully at Paul Bunyan. And I don't know if we're going to be able to meet up in New York. I forget what that one's called, but that's in August. I believe that one's in August, but that's around my birthday and our anniversary. So my wife is really enjoying the time we spend with the people here in the YouTube community, and she probably would enjoy spending our anniversary up with a whole bunch of other firewood people. I don't know. Anyway, y'all take care and enjoy our video. All right, bye. All right, what do you say, Dan?
Yeah, right there.
Have a great day.
Woo!
That wasn't very good. Woo. Can you do better than that? Can you do better? Say it again.
Woo!
I think you're winded. That's a winded woo. A wounded woo. That's what it sounds like. A wounded woo.